Hello everyone, welcome to my little country kitchen. There's my kitchen, that's fine. We're in the living room today and it's week number 4 of putting together a 72-hour kit, and it's all about clothing and bedding. Let's take this off. I had a headache. This compression hat, I guess you could say, was really helped. Anyway, I'm gonna go through my backpack of my clothing, make sure stuff still fits, it's still relevant, check the season, that kind of stuff. Well, that's a water bottle. I really don't like these, they taste really gross, so I'm gonna gift that. Let's see. Alright. 3 pairs of undergarments, that's good. A little visor already. Sure. Oh, some spare shoes that weren't necessarily my favorite, and put some socks, that'll do. I might update these socks because I really don't like these ones. We'll see. I need to double check those. Okay. T-shirt. Oh, that works still just fine. Oh, a dress, just in case. Want to go to church or something? Leggings, I am going to switch those out because I don't like being so hot. Good thing I checked. Another top. I don't even know what's on this. Let's make some magic. Sure, I can keep that one. A cool top. Yeah, that'll work. Another top. Underwear. More underwear, a couple bras. Actually, I don't know. That bra, I'm going to keep that one in. Okay. No shirt. Captain America, apparently. And some shorts that I sewed on an extension because they were too short. That's hilarious. I forgot about this. And another top that's really lightweight. Okay, so at least 3 tops and 3 bottoms. I need to switch out the pants though, but that'll do. I'm gonna put it in this new purple backpack. And let's see what else. Oh, a towel to dry off. A hair turbie, because I love, after I wash my hair, I wrap my hair up in a hair turbie so you don't have to use 2 towels. That's a trick I use. A bandana to get sweat off, or to cover your face, or to use as a sling. This is, I believe, a cool down towel. You get it wet and wrap it around your neck. It cools you off really well. This is just a card with my phone number and email. And, oh, that's hilarious. This is a Go Girl. Don't take life sitting down. It's literally a potty thing, so you can go potty in the car. That's funny. And this is pepper gel. Okay. Switch that over. Some masks. This is out in my shed, so it's pretty dusty. I want to stick it in the trunk of my car now. And, oh, whole thing of toilet paper. Wrapped up, of course. And I believe that's it. I did like this one because it's on wheels and it has a handle. Oh, and then And of course the paracord with a flint thing and a compass. I'm gonna take those off. We'll see. We'll see if everything fits in that purple backpack. If not, I'll still keep that one. Anyway, so that's my backpack. Now let's look at my husband's. Oh goodness, my hair looks ridiculous. Okay, let me go get my husband's backpack and double check his clothing. Okay, here's my husband's backpack, and I like the ones where it has this kind of brush strap so it relieves the pressure off. This one's significantly heavier. Oh, now I know why. It has food snacks in it. Oh, most of this is very interesting. Yeah, those are bad. Jiffy. Check those. Those are probably not good. It'll keep you alive. It might not taste very well. He loves sunflower seeds. Corn nuts. Those are like gooey. Best Buy. Who wants to know the date? January 15th of 2019. These are only 6 years old. Oh yeah, and completely rancid. A Book of Mormon and some crayons to mark it up. Emergency sleeping bag. It's handy. And I also have an emergency blanket in mine and emergency poncho. Just in case it's raining. Oh, these Millennium bars. Anybody tried these? I think I tried them a long time ago, but let's see. They're supposed to be kind of like a Hobbit bar. Let's see, what's the date? Expiration date, November of 22. Package date, 17. These probably aren't going to be good either. Oh, totally smells like blueberry though. Yeah, this actually doesn't smell bad at all. I'm going to give it a nibble. Tastes like a really crunchy blueberry cracker. Okay, that's not as bad as I thought it would be. An MRE, 2,400 calories. Date of manufacture, March of 2012. Expiration, March of 2017. I don't know, would you guys eat that if you were starving? I have a blow up air thing for a mattress. I have Salt Lake City Street Guide. I believe it is most of Utah. I haven't checked if it's my current county since I moved, since I got this. Coloring book for boredom. And then it also has a paracord. I added some duct tape to his. Here's a baby flashlight. Check. The battery is dead on that. Need to replace that. Life straw. It comes in handy. And $1 with a corner nibbled out of it. You see that? Looks like we had some friends visit. There's shavings. Emergency whistle. Gross. Another emergency whistle. A little knife. I have no idea what. No idea. It looks like sawdust or remnants of an old granola bar. Who the freak knows? There's another zipper in this one. Okay. Radio, crank radio, and kind of solar. Bigger flashlight. Oh, that one works just fine. Another emergency blanket. Got some masks for him. Oh, these are little coin tissues. So you get one of those wet, it turns into like a wet towel. You can clean off real quick. Q-tips. Alright, so it's good. And then first aid, band-aid stuff and stuff. So I believe I packed him a different bag, duffel bag, in his closet, but we've since unpacked that, so I need to repack him some clothes because this is obviously doesn't have any clothes in it. And he doesn't have very many clothes. All of mine, these are extra. I don't, of course, women have extra clothing, but. And as far as bedding, I'm just going to grab my favorite blanket and pillow that each of us have. Like what I would do if we go camping, so same thing. Okay, this is week 4. I'm glad I revealed what I'm lacking and what I'm needing to fix and all that. Yeah, check your food before the 5-year expiration date. That's crazy. Okay. How are you preparing this week? Right? Something in the thingamajig blow. Share this with others. If ye are prepared, ye shall not fear. I promise you that Jesus Christ will come soon. But before then, if you believe anything in the book of Revelations, it's going to be a crapshoot first. And the state of things in the whole world right now, up in the air, especially with peace treaty, is there a peace treaty, you know, with the bunker busters. We'll see if where we end up, you know, at the end of this month, at the end of this summer. So thank you for joining me, and we will see you next week. And tomorrow I have an awesome video on making my Nana's rolls. She was my mother-in-law. We loved her very much. Love you and miss you, Annetta. Mama. Bye-bye.